All right, everybody. Sylvia here, coming to you from church in the desert of Southern California. I am with my friend Dave, who has plotted a mystery route today. It's actually pretty typical of Dave that he always just likes to go and explore and see what kind of trouble we can get into. Well, this is Dave's ice trike. He's just about ready to go, and then I'm going to be riding my HP Velotechnic Scorpion FS20 and trying out my Burley Nomad trailer. And today I've got the shorter arm. It comes with a much longer arm, and so the trailer is closer to the rear of the trike, and supposedly this will keep it from bouncing. All right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so Dave and I are just about ready to go, and I have a flat. I was out in the parking lot trying to get one of my drones to follow with my trailer, and got nailed by a goat head. In fact, you can see it. Can you see it? It's right here, sticking up. Yeah, so we have to fix that before we go. It's always something. All right, so we got the flat fixed. Oh, I made a big mistake riding around in the parking lot this morning. I was testing something on my little DJI drone, which just cannot follow me. And I was wanting to see if it could follow me better because I have this trailer, bright yellow trailer, but no, it cannot. So I have to continue to use my Skydio 2, which tracks and follows beautifully. But I was kind of hoping I could pare down to one drone. Oh, bridge over the wash. All right, Dave and I are just leaving Try a Bike. Continue on our journey. Dave is leading the way with his flying fish. Very nice development here. Quiet, beautiful palm trees. It's kind of up against these mountains here. A little bit overcast today, so the mountains aren't as dramatic as they are when the skies are clear and blue. It's still very pretty. Yeah, we're getting some speed. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like 20 miles an hour. So Dave and I are stopping at a place with a great deal of historical significance called Sunnylands. And one of the distinguishing features of Sunnylands is that it's painted pink. Right. We are turning into Sunnylands. Yeah, it's a really cool place here. Beautiful. There you go. Got a beautiful infinity pool and these barrel cactuses. It's a lovely garden here at Sunnylands. And look at these fabulous trees.
Wow, look at the snow up there on those mountains.
Oh yeah. Yes, isn't this beautiful here? Can kind of, I don't know if it'll come out on the camera, the snow on the mountains, it's still there.
Sunnyland area. I saw pictures of it, and it's like the desert shots we saw in your videos when we were looking at the desert.
Oh yeah.
So they bought this whole section of land.
And this is the Annenberg family.
Annenberg family from New York. And he started, I think,
big publishing
big
family.
Publishing
Yeah, it's
organization,
big. It's a big name in philanthropy.
And they've had Supreme Court retreats here.
Right.
It's probably the most secure facility maybe in the world, but if you notice the cameras when they come up the road, we're about every 150 feet.
Yeah. So it's set up for like
Security.
world leaders
Cheese
to, yeah, so
guy
Xi
from
and
China.
Obama had a retreat here.
Yeah.
A lot of presidents have stayed here, and there's an 18-hole golf course and a heliport. Gorgeous gardens. So this is a bench that was a gift from President Xi of China
To
to Obama when they met here
2013.
June 7th and 8th of 2013. And you can see there's some Chinese writing. Yeah, so maybe they sat here and had some high-level discussions. Well, look at these beautiful cactus here. These ones here are like covered in some kind of fur. Probably not supposed to walk on them. So here is a wall of famous guests at Sunnylands. Got Frank Sinatra,
That's him.
and that's Annenberg. So the Annenbergs with the Queen. And then presidents.
He was the ambassador to England.
Oh, Annenberg was the ambassador to England. Wow. So who is this? I can't tell. Oh, is it Eisenhower? And he's fishing. Wow, that's funny. And then Ronald Reagan and George Bush, George H.W. and Barack Obama. And there they are. They're on the bench. They're on the bench that we just saw. Okay, so we're leaving Sunnylands, but gotta fix another flat. Make quick work of this, that's for sure. All right, with Dave's help, we got that flat on my trailer fixed very quickly. Oh, I'm telling you, it was a big mistake this morning riding around in that dirt parking lot. So now I've had 2 flats from the goat heads. Oh, telling you, the goat heads this year are terrible. So I'm following Dave out of Sunnylands. Beautiful, just a beautiful, beautiful place. A lot of historical significance. Just a super classy mid-century architecture. And now Dave is gonna take us back. Yeah, so going along the pink wall of Sunnylands. And there's just beautiful cactus out here. Ooh, I almost hit that cactus. Sticking out in the bike lane. Yeah, going through a quieter neighborhood here. The roads in this area are very smooth. Really a joy to ride on everywhere. So we're on a separated bike path here next to really rugged hills. There's a lot of hiking up here. Seen a lot of people up high. Perfect day for a hike, actually. A little bit cool, but no wind. Oh yeah, I've got to do a diagonal cross here to stay on this separated bike path. Yeah, it's lovely. Golf cart lane and bike lane. And I had to stop at another bike shop. I did not patch the trailer flat very well. In fact, I put the patch in the wrong place. It was close, but not close enough. and talking to them, I realized I didn't have any 16-inch tubes, and they didn't have the right size. And I asked them about solid 16-inch wheels, and they do not recommend them. They do not stock them. They do not install them. They said the solid tires have a tendency to shred. So, you know, we'll see. I may end up just putting tire liners in all of my tires for this upcoming tour, but I have lots of time to figure that out. So here we are crossing this busy street, making our way back to church. All right, so we're back at church and just had a very nice ride. We did 23 miles and 600 feet of climbing. Oh, I can't be in here because this is where I got all those goat heads earlier. And here's Dave. I know. Stay out of the dirt. Thank you, Dave. That was a very nice ride. I really appreciate it.
Only 3 flats.
Only, I know. We had 3 flats on this ride. Yeah, so I'm going to park it here next to my trailer. And, you know, I think that my bike trailer, my little burly Nomad, I think it did really, really well. And that shorter arm, maybe less bouncy. I don't know. The roads here are so smooth. It's kind of hard to say, but I bet it will really help on the rougher roads when I'm going across the country. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video, and please be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.